Hey folks, Nate here. Got a brand new product to show you. This is our brand new LFT cage. This is a 4 gallon a minute at 4,000 PSI hot water pressure washer. It's got a 420 cc electric start engine, so no need to pull a rope. Turn the key, you're in business. It's got an 8 gallon fuel tank right on the back here. This 8 gallon fuel tank should give you all day runtime. And the reason you're gonna get all day runtime is because of the coil we've got up front. This heating coil is a high efficiency downdraft heating coil, which will just sip diesel fuel compared to your old traditional hot water heating coil. 8 gallons of diesel will get you all day with this high efficiency coil, and it will pay for itself in savings. As you can see, it's a direct drive pump, directly driven by the motor. It comes with a downstream chemical injector and a full set of nozzles. So when you want to apply your detergent at downstream, you simply drop your soap line into your detergent, put in your black soap nozzle, and you're applying soap at low pressure. And when you're ready to rinse, just put in your high pressure nozzle. Up here on the control panel, very easy. We've got a burner switch off on. We've got our thermostat so we can set our water temp where we need it. And we also have an hour meter, so we can obviously keep track of how many hours are on it, get it in service when we need it. And up here is your nozzle storage. The only option for this unit is actually a hose reel that mounts up top, which I don't have on here at the moment. It has wand storage on the side, but this unit, very solid, very compact hot water mobile pressure washer. If you want more information on this unit, reach out to your local dealer. They can hook you up with the brand new LFT roll cage hot water machine.